How to cream your way to the perfect and beautiful legs. Would you like to have smooth, attractive legs? There are a variety of creams that can be used, but doing everything in a specific order is key. With effort and patience, you could be on your way to perfect legs. Step number 1: Be delicate with sensitive skin. Try a product without harsh chemicals or much alcohol. Something with aloe, shea butter, and oats works nicely. There are a few great home remedies for sensitive skin. Use something with sweet honey. It works as a great moisturizer and smells wonderful. Mix oatmeal with enough warm water to make a paste or cream. This helps remove oils and extra shine from the skin, and it may help with acne by removing dead skin cells and acting as an oil blotter. Step number 2. Wash and exfoliate your legs. Before even putting a razor to your legs, be sure to remove the dead skin cells. An added benefit of exfoliation is it raises the hairs, making them easier to shave. Make sure nothing impedes the ensuing razor swipes. Step number 3. Shave your legs. It sounds simpler than it really is. There are a few ways to maximize your shaving efforts towards perfect legs. Try to avoid shaving as soon as you jump in the shower. Let the heat and moisture from the hot water work on your pores, opening them up and making the hair softer. Nighttime shaving is best for smooth legs. There are a variety of reparative functions when you sleep, and shaving at night before bed may help the hairs recede some. Be sure to use shaving cream or other leather that is not soap to assist when shaving. Not only does it help the blade glide more smoothly over your legs, but it also serves as a handy guide of where you've already been. Use a good, fresh razor. Avoid the nicks and cuts, or worse, tucking of hair, by using a multi-blade razor that is replaced fairly regularly. Go with the grain, then against it. This makes the blade strokes easier, the cuts simpler, and the likelihood of issues. Step number 4. Dry your skin, but not fully. Moisturizer forms a thin layer that helps do many things, including sealing in moisture. Using a leg cream just after a shower, when your legs are still damp, helps lock it in. 5. Wait no more than 3 minutes to apply your leg cream. After the shower, there is only so much time before the moisture dries on your legs and dissipates. Wait too long and your skin may become dry enough that it not only loses the available moisture to be trapped, but it also invites the potential for allergens and bacteria. Step number 6. Use a pea-sized dollop to start. Most dermatologists seem to recommend starting out with a pea-sized amount and working your way up to more as necessary. You don't want to leave your legs feeling oily, so use as little as necessary. Step number 7. Spread lotion onto your legs. Put extra lotion on the knees to reduce roughness and darkness, and be sure to gently rub it in. Apply liberally in the driest areas. Step number 8. Pour some baby oil on your legs for the extra morning shine. Using a soft cloth so as to not aggravate the skin, spread the baby oil all over the leg. Repeat on the other leg, using any excess from the first leg. Step number 9. Repeat the steps above consistently. Results will not be something that happens overnight. Try to create a consistent habit so you can see positive results. Which method you are using, tell us in comment section. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and subscribe my guide for more videos.